Have you ever wondered why scarlet blood pours out of your nose when you experience a nosebleed? Or why the veins in your skin look blue? It's all down to some colorful chemistry in your red blood cells. This video will unravel the mystery of why is our blood red. Stay tuned, buckle up, and let's dive in. Red blood cells contain a molecule that gives them their distinctive color. Red blood cells contain a molecule called hemoglobin, which binds and transports oxygen through our bodies. Hemoglobin is made up of 4 protein chains that each bind an additional ring-shaped chemical structure called heme. The protein chains in the hemoglobin molecule in red blood cells are encoded by our genes. Mutations in the globin genes can cause diseases such as thalassemia and sickle cell disease. In order to bind oxygen, each protein chain binds to one heme group, allowing a maximum of 4 oxygen molecules to bind per one hemoglobin molecule. At heme's center sits an iron molecule. The iron makes heme look red-brown. But what if the iron is swapped for a different metal? Remember those green flames from chemistry class? Plant leaves are green because the chlorophyll in the leaves contains magnesium at the center of the ring. Meanwhile, in cold-blooded animals, blood appears blue because copper atoms sit at the center of the ring and bind to oxygen. To return to human blood, the iron in hemoglobin binds oxygen in the lungs as we inhale air. Now, our blood looks bright red as it is being pumped away from the lungs to the tissues in our body. Luckily, oxygen binding is reversible, which means that oxygen taken up in the lungs is released in the tissues as the blood circulates around the body. When the oxygen is released, it is replaced by carbon dioxide, which is then taken back to our lungs and expelled from our bodies as we breathe. When carbon dioxide binds to hemoglobin, the color changes from bright red to dark red with a hint of purple. But why do our veins look blue? It's an illusion. The veins themselves are actually white-pink. The blue color that we see with our eyes is a combination of the blood, the vessel, the skin, and the process that allows us to see color. Keep going on your journey as we go to unravel more mysteries. See you on the next Biology Plays a Role video.